Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Taylor Marie, and I'm back with another video. This is a tutorial about do-it-yourself donuts. So stick around for the video and the step-by-step instructions. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to grab is a can of ready-to-bake biscuits, which I have here. You're going to need to grab some oil. Honestly, I didn't have my skillet on hand, so what I did was just coated the bottom of this pot. And you'll see it was a little bit tricky to use, so I recommend having a skillet. Mine was just actually in the dishwasher, so. All right, so now that I have my biscuits, I'm just gonna make a circle, which is what I'm doing right here, kind of molding them into that donut shape. I used a baking pan just to place on there so that I had like a clean surface that I could just already have them shaped and molded out, which is what you'll see me doing right here. It was really, really fun. Like, I didn't realize how easy and convenient it is to just use biscuits for donuts. I mean, after all, it's dough, which donuts are made out of dough. So these were, I want to say, $2, maybe $2.29 at our local grocery mart. So if you can find, I mean, the cheaper the better. I didn't mind the flakiness of these biscuits, so I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through here, which you'll see me just kind of putting the holes and whatnot. I think I added, yeah, my sister wanted blueberries, so I put blueberries in one of the donuts, which she said tasted, I mean, amazing. It came out like perfect for her, so I didn't try them. I'm not really a fan of fruit in my donuts or jelly. I think plain dough, a little bit of icing, some sprinkles, or just by itself is good for me. So, but yeah, so if you want to do that, you can get creative and put anything in there that you want. I just kept it simple. Okay, who else loves the sound of grease popping? I know I do. So that's why I had to insert that in there for anybody else who has like that ASMR kind of like brain. But what I'm doing here is just letting those biscuits just get nice and golden. There were a couple, I will say, that I let sit in the grease a little too long, but overall they turned out pretty good. So okay, so now that we have all of our donuts ready, we're just gonna glaze them. Right here I have a homemade glaze, which consists of vegan butter, soy milk, vanilla, and powdered sugar. Now you guys can use whatever kind of milk alternative or regular milk or whole, whatever. If you want to use dairy, go ahead and do it. We just decided to have it non-dairy and it was perfect. I did decide that I wanted to add a little sprinkles to this, so that's what I did. I've added some sprinkles, and then I did a couple powdered sugared ones, just so that I had a little bit of variety. All right. See, I added the burnt ones in here from before, which I told you guys about, but I just don't even care. They still tasted great, so whatever. Transparency, it is what it is. All right, guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, go ahead and try it out yourself. Let me know how it is in the comments. And if, as always, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe this video. Thank you.